posting videos like crazy, man. So hopefully y'all guys can keep up. Keep up, man. I'm on my grind, man. I'm posting it.
Retarded and ride the yellow bus. Turn the car in circles until the tires bust. Out the window like cuss. On the hood of the scraper like.
Lucky's Wheels and Deals. We back at it again with another lit video, guys. So today we're over here at Oklahoma Auto Exchange. Hopefully we can find something. Hopefully we can get something that we can use, something that we can do and sell, use and abuse and make some money. But yeah, man, this thing for sale. I just posted it last night and I already got fucking over 10 hits on it. So I posted it up there kind of high. Well, I don't think it's kind of high, man. I posted it for 95. I don't think it's that high compared to my competition, man. But you know, I got a couple people hitting me up. But shit, you know me, I'm not in a rush. I ain't hurting for money. Not in a rush. I'm still trying to buy shit. I got my little slippers on, man. I'm up here comfortable, man. It's getting like a little nippy though. Getting a little nippy. But hopefully we can find something that we can use, y'all. So I don't know. We're gonna get up into this. We're gonna see what the prices go for. We're gonna see if they high, if they low, what's going on, man. Because lately shit been going hot. But let's see, can we get some good deals, some shit that we can flip, some shit that we can make some money. That's what it's all about at the end of the day, man. It's a business, man. Can't always buy stuff that you like. You gotta buy stuff that's gonna make some money. So guys, let's mix it up a little bit. I'm gonna show y'all some cars that I'm not gonna buy. Just in case if y'all guys interested in buying any cars up here, I can show y'all a few different little cars.
Oh, don't you like it? Give it up money here, number 3.
Hyundai.
Good miles, guys. Good miles, 14 miles. I'll give it up money. Come on, Dano. What's in here? Get it on $5. 1. Turn it out here. 51, turn it out here. 51, get it out of here.
Got 92,000 miles on it. 92.
salvage title. Yellow light, here's the good. Salvage title. 13.
They went for $500. I don't think they sold it though. 2011 with 180,000 miles. Gears are good. Also that, 12 grand, 10, 2. 10 pound dollar, 10, 10, 10, 10 grand, 10, 2, 10 grand, 10, 2. 10 pound dollar, $8,000, $82 grand. 8 grand, $6,000, 2, 5 grand, now 2, now 4. 5400, 54 54, 56, 58, 58, 58, 58, $5,800. 5600, 8, take it away, $5,800. 5600, pass, so thank you. Damn, 5600. Let's see what this Impala goes for.
Here's a good 18 grand, 16 pound, 15 grand, 15 to 15 grand, 2, 14 pound, 14 grand, 2, 14 grand, 14, 2, now 14, 2, 14, 4, 14, 4, 14, 4, 14, 14, so thank you. 14-2. 14-2,
so man. 14-2. That shit kinda high. I don't know, man. What y'all think? 14-2, y'all comment below and let me know. 68, now 7,000 grand, 7,200, Here's number 906. 9200, man. And let's see what this wreck one go for though.
$72, 4, hit a minute, sold, 7,200. Senor Garcia,
Now let's see what this Charger go for, this Challenger go for.
20, on the now, 20, what'd you say? 15 grand, 15.5, here you go. 15.5, now 16 pound dollars. Now 16 pounds, 7 pounds, 16 5, 16 7, 50. 16 5, now 7 pounds, 7 pounds, now 7 pounds, 7 8.
Nah. Let me see, man.
100,000 followers.
What's going on, man? What's going on, man?
How you doing, man?
Living right, living good. He had to get one. He see me with one. He said, fuck that.
It was a deal. I couldn't pass the deal though.
Oh, you got that one? That's a fake one. No, fuck it.
Look.
Where's it at? You went to where's that, New Jersey? You went out there and got it? Huh?
Second order, 3 days.
What? It run? Where's it at?
It's on the way. It's on the way on the truck.
Off road?
I flew out there this Saturday.
Huh?
I flew out there Saturday.
You flew out there?
I flew out there this Saturday. They gave me a brand new dance too.
Well, hey, call me.
At the tea house.
Really? Yeah, I just dropped my Monte Carlo at the TikTok. I just dropped it off. The whole shit did it.
Only reason it looked like this because they said that they tried to get the payment. They wanted to get his body work.
Oh, you got to say that?
And he just fucked it up. But they ain't no way. Only reason it is they're in charge.
Okay, my shit's Draco.
Yeah.
They gonna do pretty good, especially for the money. Let me show you this. Hey man, we live and direct, man. This cut, man. Hey, he just told me that he just picked up the money, man. Y'all see it? Hey, we gotta ride back to back now. We gotta ride back to back. They thought we was twins before.
All the real 3 body service, transmission, everything. 90 kills.
Trying to get this thing. I got about 7 hours to go get it. I rather have them all the same 3 or 5 Pokemon.
I like that black gold combination.
I'm probably gonna pay it though.
I gotta set a goal. I gotta set like, I gotta set, but I got like,
Hey, the one thing they show you, man, I gotta have it. What you get that one?
87.
87? Ah, hey, you know, if I didn't buy mine, I would have been, oh, let me cash you out.
Yeah, hey,
Good thing I found mine though.
30 minutes. Like, that's still posted 30 minutes, bro. I got it in 30 minutes.
Jump on it quick. You have to. That's what you want.
We're selling cars today.
Where your son at? Not here today? Oh, okay.
4 hours later, I was headed to Philadelphia.
Yeah. So it was in Philly? Your body in Philly?
It was in Jersey.
New Jersey. Oh, but your flight was in Philly?
But the closest airport to Jersey was Philly.
Yeah. So you flew out randomly to Philly?
Yeah.
And then he's like, oh shit, he started looking.
Nah, he told me the closest airport was Philadelphia airport. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna fly to Philly. Then I go to Jersey. And I hit the girl up out there in Miami. She's like, yeah, you come down here.
Oh, so you hold on, what the fuck? You crazy. You crazy. So you just fucking just bounced around that quick? So when was this? You said when?
Saturday.
Saturday? All this shit happened Saturday?
I went to Dallas. Then I went to Dallas with the Philly. Philly the next morning, I went to Jersey. Then I came back to Philly. Then I went back to Dallas. I went to all that shit in 36 hours.
That shit runs and everything? Hey, hit me up to that when it's supposed to get here. I'm gonna holler at you in a minute, man. Wildin', hey, boy, wildin', man. Hey, y'all know I keep it lit. I keep it raw and uncut on the channel, man. But man, it's a beautiful thing, man. I'm glad I got 100,000 subscribers. We are going to turn it up. Let me walk up outside first, though. They got this. Hell damage. Oh, man, I know somebody was saying it's like they got way more cars than yesterday. I don't know where all these cars came from. I don't know where all these cars came from, y'all. Oh shit. Let me get out here and get some fresh air. So he just got the Monte Carlo. And y'all know that's JJ's older brother. So he just got that Monte Carlo. Hey, I'm about to get some, y'all know I gotta get some footage and we gotta get some ride back to back. And he been trying to tell me to get a Monte Carlo and an IROC for the longest. So he bought JJ's IROC, that blue one is an 86, that blue IROC, the one that he was supposed to fix on, but he sold it to him. And then he also finally bought a Monte Carlo. And the fucked up thing about, he already had a clean ass Monte Carlo, but someone stole it in front of his grandma's house. So fuck that, people are stealing them goddamn cars. I see. Shit, can't you leave the driveway without someone like, hey, you want to sell that thing? Nah, I ain't selling it. I want to hurry up and throw my banners on there though real quick. I want to hurry up and throw my banners on there real quick, but they go like, okay, he ain't selling, he got it. Okay. Once they see it somewhere done, they think, because it gets more attention of people thinking that, oh, it's a project car, he probably don't want it. I probably can get it cheap because it's still sanded down, or you know, it ain't got new paint, no new rims, it's just regular. So maybe I can get it cheap from him, but I think I'll get a lot more attention with it like that. Let's see what else they got. I don't see nothing out here, but it seems like they got more shit in there, unless I wasn't paying attention yesterday. But yeah, man, I'm gonna try to get some of these videos for y'all. I'm also probably gonna be doing some short videos for y'all too. You know, I gotta mix it up, man. There's people that like the shorts, there's people that like the long videos, man. So I gotta keep all the Lucky Nation happy. Some people, I don't like doing auction videos, but hey, I'm gonna do all my videos. I'm gonna do the throwback videos. There's some people that love the throwback videos, some people don't. Some people like the auction videos, some people don't. Some people like the regular daily vlog videos, some people don't. Some people like the Copart videos, some people don't. So I'm gonna do all of them, man. I'm doing everything. But anyways, let's get back up in here and get some more footage and see how much these cars going for, because a lot of y'all trying to get dealer license and trying to get active and get y'all money, man, and get on the grind and get on the hustle, man. So hey, I ain't gonna knock y'all hustle, but let's get back up in here.
Suburban, 15 model, 118,000 miles on that, 35,000. 35,000, 35,000.
What is that? Let's see what this Suburban.
Looks like it's going to wrap us up here for the Fowler Group. Let's draw for some 9 gems. Every card 2. Buy number 208. Buy number 208. Buy number 208. Last call. Next. No, it's your buyer number.
We're gonna see what this one go for, man. What y'all think?
Oh, so, I'm sorry. Ticket number. No, it's buyer number. It's buyer numbers. Buyer number 261. Their buyer numbers. They have their buyer numbers on. It's not the ticket numbers. Buyer numbers. Yeah. Buyer number 133. Bidder number 133. Don't look at your tickets. Look at your buyer numbers. 133. Found it. Those girls and Paige to stick around playing with Fowler. Thank you, Billy Ray. Start at 115. Oh, 8.
So that one went for, look what, 38, the 2008. So that one went way cheaper. The other one it was the same body style, was it? But I think it was a little newer. I think it was 2000. I can't remember, but I know it was way higher. But hey, it's funny because I haven't been really been recording aggressive like I'm doing now, and it's just funny seeing like people like, what is he doing? I usually just make the short videos, but I can see a lot of people, I can see the look on a lot of people's faces. Oh, what is he doing? Shouldn't he be bidding on cars? What is, people, some people don't like, they're secretive, man. They don't like you knowing how much they paying for cars or stuff like that. So, people are just very secretive, man. Like, it ain't like y'all guys gonna buy cars from them. But it's just funny to me, but hey, I'm getting money. That's what I'm doing. I'm staying on my grind, man. Hey, I made a smart move. While doing YouTube and selling cars. But a lot of these people, the car business, I know the car business in and out. Right now, some of these guys are struggling and they looking sad. They like, man, I could have sworn, I don't know, but I could have sworn I heard someone mumble under their damn breath. But I didn't know, was he talking to me, or I didn't know, was he just talking about the cars went through? But he said something. He shouldn't be bidding on fucking cars or some shit. I could have sworn he said some slick shit like that, but I didn't really fully hear. Did he just say what I thought he said? But it's like, but he wasn't looking at me, he was just talking in the air, you know what I mean? So I don't know, hopefully he was just talking about the auctioneers or the car went too damn high or something. But hey, they don't want them problems. I don't want them problems either though, you know what I'm saying? I love everybody, but we're gonna get up in here and see what car is going for. going out, man. You know, like I said, man, I'm gonna do these videos for y'all. I know I don't really like doing these videos. I don't really care about recording this shit, but I'm gonna do it for y'all, man. And I'm gonna do some shorts because I know a lot of y'all like to see the short videos. So we're gonna mix it up, man. I'm posting videos like crazy, man. So hopefully y'all guys can keep up, man. I'm on my grind, man. I'm posting it. I'm posting videos. I got so much videos coming, man. I'm recording 2 videos a day. I'm dropping flashback videos. I'm doing short videos. I'm doing everything in my power to grow this channel. Just so we could turn up with these old schools. Let me take that money to take over here to spend on there if I can invest back into the channel. Let me take the money from the YouTube, man. YouTube ain't, I don't know, I hate to be the guy that be like, yeah, YouTube, yeah, I'm doing good. Yeah, I mean, YouTube is cool, but it's not my main income. You know, a lot of people think they gonna get into this YouTube shit and just be booming. I mean, some people do, but like this car YouTube shit is different from the family YouTube shit versus the couples YouTube shit, or just a regular vlogger YouTube family guy. It's different. The car shit is different. I'm actually really just vlogging and recording my grind. You know what I'm saying? So, but anyways, with that being said, man, I love y'all, Lucky Nation, man. Shout out to the whole Lucky Nation. But just like that, this video is over. Make sure you guys like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm about to get back up in here, and I'm not leaving yet. But yeah, shout out to the whole Lucky Nation. We out. Yay!
Turn the car in circles until the time's done. Out the window like, cuss, on the hood of the scraper.